Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in South Beach, Miami on a mini staycation, just an overnight stay. So I am getting ready to hit the town. We just came from the beach. I have already showered, washed my hair. So I am just gonna go through my routine. It's not gonna be a long one. So we don't have that much time. There is a curfew in Miami, so we can't be out forever. So I'm going to moisturize. I have a travel size of the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting. So I'm going to put that on. Always go up, go against gravity. And I have the Confidence in an Eye Cream by It from Ulta. I'll put a link in the description below to everything that I'm using. So I'm doing a little under eye cream. I've already done my I've already put on my mascara and eyeliner a little bit because I am not a professional makeup artist by any means. So I wasn't confident putting on mascara and eyeliner in front of the camera without poking my eyes out. So we're not going to do that. I'm using the Hangover Too Faced primer. And I think it's the glare in here. Hotel lighting, hashtag. So that might be better. Sorry. I'll try to get it so that there's not such a bad glare. If you're a makeup artist or a esthetician, you're probably cringing because I'm doing this so quickly. But like I said, we don't have a lot of time. We have to get to dinner and make it back quickly. So I'm doing it real quick. So like I said, I already have on my eyeliner and my mascara, just a little bit. So I'm gonna lay my eyebrows down with this Essence Lash and Brow Gel. It's just a clear one. I got my eyebrows waxed yesterday, so they just need a little taming. So because it's so hot here in South Beach, I'm not going to use a liquid foundation because I would have to like do all the stuff so that I don't melt. So I am just going to use a powder, and I use bareMinerals Barepro and Hazelnut. The number's 25. You see, I've had it. I carry it in my bag. It's not that it's that old. I carry it in my bag every day, and it just, you know how our bags look. So I'm just using a powder just to take some of my sheen off. Especially because I was at the beach today, so this is the first time I'm doing a get ready with me video, so this will be the test. And thank you guys for watching me do this. So like I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist. When I was a little girl, I was a performer. You know, I did dance recitals, I did singing, I did theater, all that kind of stuff. And we had to, when I say little girl, I did it all the way till I was 18. So but we had to do our own makeup. There were no people to do our makeup for us. So they had to teach us how to do that makeup so that people sitting all the way in the back of the audience can see us. However, that kind of makeup, if you do, to go out, you look like a clown. So it's not the same, not the same thing. So, okay, I've done my powder, and I'm going to use some 24-hour shadow primer by Smashbox. This is my favorite one. I haven't even purchased any other ones because I really love this one, so I keep buying the same one. And I love that it's so small because I travel a lot. I need small stuff. So, of course, I would normally put this on before I do my eyes, but I'm doing it backwards for purposes of the video. And I've got my makeup brushes over there. I'll be right back. So these are my makeup brushes. And I have this kit, the Morphe Jeffree Star brush set. So it's not as small as I would like it to be, but it's what I have for right now. I'm actually looking for something else to use to carry around with me because this is kind of big to be, you know, travel size. It always takes up so much room in my bag, so I do need to get something smaller. You know, I'm supposed to have my eyeshadow out, and I don't, so excuse me for the noise. Just when you think you have everything all laid out, fail. So let's see, based on what I'm wearing tonight, I think that I'm going to use, and by the way, I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette. This is from the Lion King collection. And Sir John is Beyonce's makeup artist, and he actually created this palette. And I just love the shades. As you can see, it's definitely used. I really do use it. And I actually bought a second one so that I would have another one, because you know these are always like limited editions, so I bought two. That's how much I loved it. So I think I'm going to go gold tonight. I am wearing gold jewelry. I didn't bring like any backup jewelry. I just have what I was wearing. So like I said, it's just a one night stay. So I'm using gold there, and then I think that I'm going to go with a little green. I have two outfits that I need to try on. I haven't tried them on yet because I wanted to shower first. So if I go with green, if I actually go with either one, so that seems like the safest shade to go with. And I need to blend and all of that, you know, because I'm doing this fast. I may not be doing a great blending job. I will touch it up if I need to. For right now, I'm just trying to get it on my face. And with that eyeshadow primer, it does not go anywhere. Like, this will last on my face for hours. And I still will have to do a double cleanse to get it off my face. But that's what you want, especially when it's, you know, 80 something degrees, which is what the temperature is in Miami right now. So that's the rough draft of the eyeshadow. I'm going to leave that out because I may have to do a touch up. And because I'm doing green, I just need to do a lighter color. And I have my travel, I have a travel blush thingy. Yeah, I have a travel blush thingy. I can't remember what the name of this, who this is from. I got it from Ulta, and it's my second one. Matter of fact, it's just Ulta Beauty. Just their travel size blush brush. So that's what the palette looks like. And this is e.l.f. and this is the dark palette. I bought the light one and it didn't work for me. I'm tan and I stay tan most of the time, pretty much year round. So I think I'm gonna go with this color. That's the one that I tend to gravitate towards. So I don't want to put it on very heavy because I don't want to look like pink and green. Shout out to any AKAs watching. I'm not an AKA, but I don't want to walk around looking like pink and green. I come from a family of deltas, but of course, you know, I love all the sororities. So, all right, I'm already beginning to look like something. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighter. Are y'all still using highlighter, or are y'all done with the whole highlight thing? I'm kind of over it, but this is the Lion King also highlighter, and the same thing with this one. I bought 2 of them. I bought one and loved it so much I actually ordered another one. Circle of Life highlighter. I don't even know if you can still get it. I will put any links down below to whatever I can find, and I'm just using the Morphe brush number, what number is this? JS3. So I'm gonna use a little bit of highlighter. What I don't like is when I take pictures and I have highlight on, it just looks like you're always sweating. Maybe it's just me, but I see other girls' pictures too, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you just look like a bright light. I don't know, but it's what's in right now. So I'm dealing with the highlighter thing, but honestly, I am ready for it to be done. So to do the nose and the forehead, I'm not doing a lot because I don't want people to see me from way down the block. So, yeah. I'm going to blend all this stuff in because I know my face is not blended. So I'm just trying to get through so you guys are not here with me forever. So I just washed and conditioned my hair. And the hotel actually had some good stuff. They had the Le Aquitaine shampoo and conditioner. And I brought his shampoo and conditioner, and I was like, hey, let me try their stuff because Le Aquitaine is really good. If I'm pronouncing it correctly, you know, they're in Paris. So I did use that, and I'm not mad at it. It smelled really good. The conditioner worked really well with my hair because first I was kind of skeptical. So I'm spraying my hair with the Sun Bum 3-in-1 hair repair since I did just come from being out in the sun. So I love this. I always buy these. So I put that in my hair first. Get it in there really good. And it's travel size. I don't know if they have a big one because I always just use it when I travel. I don't use this at home. It just stays in my travel bag. So this is like my liquid. And then for my oil, I'm not going to use the oil. Oils are usually very heavy for my hair type. So, but I am going to use the Shea Moisture 100% Daily Hydration Style Gel. And I can't tell you how many of these I've gone through. I love this stuff. So I'm going to use that. So my hair is really dry, coming out of the ocean and stuff. And even though you shampoo and condition it, like, you know, it needs a little bit more TLC after all of that. And plus I want to look good, you know, for going out on a mini night on the town. So I think we are going to go to a seafood restaurant, which is down the block. It is a 14-minute walk. So I think we're just going to do that so I can show you guys the walk down there. So I'm done with that. And then I am going to use, I don't want to use this one. Where's the other one? I want to use the, don't laugh at me, but this is my favorite combination. The Shea Moisture Gel and Cantu for Kids. I love this combination. The other Cantu, I have some hair on my hands. I just want to wipe that off. The other Cantu that comes like in the jar, it's just really heavy for my hair. And I bought this one for my son. He wasn't using it, and I started using it when I ran out of stuff. And I keep buying it, and it's like $3.99, and the jar is I don't know, $8 or something. So I love this stuff. Use what works. Who cares if it says kids or whatever. So gotta get those ends. I did burn my arm over the summer, so if you're wondering what that is, yep. I was making garlic bread, being greedy. And I went in the oven to get it, and my mother was walking behind me because I was at her house, and I was trying to pull it out so it didn't burn. And yeah, the garlic bread didn't get burned, but my arm did. And I put aloe vera gel on it. She has like an aloe plant, and I put it on there forever, and hasn't gone away. So I don't know if it will. If I wanted to cover it up with makeup, I can, trying to be fancy, but it's okay. Now, what I am going to do is, because my ends are dry, I'm going to use the Pattern Hydrating Mist. And I know Pattern by Tracy Ellis Ross has gotten rave reviews. And I bought a travel size one. I think this was, I know the big one is $18. This may have been like $6 at Ulta. And it works really well. I also bought the travel size shampoo and conditioner. I haven't used them yet. So, and the reason why I have full size hair products and like conditioner and gel and stuff, because travel size is not going to work. No. So I would end up using like the whole bottle in 2 days. But I love this stuff. This stuff gets it for me. I'm so sorry about the glare. That shows me about trying to do a get ready with me in a hotel bathroom. So yeah, so this is it. I am going to like get dressed and just finish up a couple of loose ends here with my look, and I'll show you the completed look in a second. So this is my final look, guys. I have on a one-piece romper that I got at Ross earlier. I think it was like $9.99. So just something quick because I didn't have anything to bring with me. And a Michael Kors pouch, of course, everything MK, always. So anyway, yeah, this is it. And see, I can show you my final hair and face. I am wearing the Selena collection lipstick, and I can't remember the name of it, so I'll tell you. This was the one that came out this year. I know there was one that came out a few years ago. It's called Queen of Cumbia. So gotta love Selena's. Okay, so we are going to head out and have dinner. Oh, by the way, I don't have my shoes on because my correct shoes are in the car. So I need to get them out of the car, and I'm just gonna wear my flip-flops downstairs until I can get my shoes. So we are getting ready to go. I have my mask, my little pouch, and we are heading out. So I will see you guys in a few minutes on Ocean Drive.